The Kerala government has suspended IAS officers K. Gopalakrishnan and N. Prasad for alleged breach of conduct. Now, according to official sources, Gopalakrishnan was suspended for creating a religion-based WhatsApp group, while disciplinary action was taken against Prasad for reportedly criticizing a senior officer. The entire controversy stemmed back to 31st October when several IAS officers in the Kerala cadre were allegedly added to a WhatsApp group named Mallu Hindu Officers. The group was reportedly created by Gopalakrishnan and included only Hindu officers, but was deleted a day later. Since then, Gopalakrishnan has claimed that his phone had been hacked and has also filed a police complaint asserting that he had no involvement in creating the controversial WhatsApp group. My colleague Jayalakshmi is joining me live right now to get us more details. Jayalakshmi, of course, right now, the IAS officer now suspended, Gopalakrishnan, is claiming that his phone was hacked. He has filed a complaint report. What has the investigation thrown to light so far?
Yes, in fact, after he had complaint of his phone getting hacked, after thorough investigation, the police officials had confirmed that there was the admin of this entire group was K. Gopalakrishnan, and there was no evidences to prove that his phone was hacked. Was the police report that was in fact submitted to the state government. Also, the police said that they have found that the IAS officer's phone was, reset or factory reset multiple times, which was allegedly done by the IAS officer. There is no proof that, that was again, the phone was hacked. So the police believes that the phone was factory reset by himself, and it's not once, twice, it was multiple times. It was factory reset, and then it was later this phone was given for the, investigation to the police officers. So definitely the police officers have submitted a detailed report to the state government, after which now the state government has taken a disciplinary action by suspending this IAS officer. K. Gopalakrishnan was suspended yesterday late evening. The official order had come out, and the government has, in fact, in the order stated that the government believes that the phone was not hacked, and Gopalakrishnan, by creating such a controversial WhatsApp group, in fact, let me tell you, the group's name was Mallu, Hindu WhatsApp group and Mallu Muslim WhatsApp group. This group was created shortly in the time of Diwali, and initially, in fact, what the statements were coming out was that this was for, for the wishes for Diwali purposes. This was what was being said earlier. But now, definitely, K. Gopalakrishnan has claimed that his phone was hacked, but the police has proved otherwise, and now the government has, suspended him. The government in the order also stated that they believe that such a division of groups is, bound to create communal divide in the society, and hence strict actions were taken against him.
Absolutely. And this is too convenient to say that the phone was hacked. It remains to be seen what is going to be the final outcome of the investigation. But thank you, Jayalakshmi, for getting us those details.